Welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudiyal, and today in this video we are going to discuss that how to prepare and export the artwork for print. Before I start, I kindly request you to please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications. So, let's start. So this is my artwork. And now I will tell you that how you can prepare and export your artwork for print. So the first thing is that the color must be CMYK. To ensure that your Illustrator file is in CMYK, click here on File and here Document Color Mode, CMYK. Now the next step is to add the bleed. Bleed is the amount of artwork that falls outside of the printing bounding box. You can include bleed in your artwork as a margin of error to ensure that the ink is still printed to the edge of the page after the page is trimmed. To set the bleed, simply come up to the top menu, click File and here Document Setup. And here you can set your bleed values. I am giving 8 and click OK like this. Now we are all set. So first we have to save the file. Go to File and click Save As. Give a name to your document, and since we are in Illustrator, so by default the default format is going to be set to AI. So what we are going to do is toggle the file format. So I will click on Save as Type, and here we can see a range of options. Here I am going to choose PDF because PDF is an ideal file format for printing a document created in Illustrator. PDFs will be larger than any other options, but will also provide the printer with more information. This file will not lose quality over time and use. Now, save. Now here will pop up a new PDF setting menu. Here we are going to configure some of the PDF options. So from the top, I am going to click on PDF presets and select high quality. This is going to guarantee that my artwork is exported to a maximum quality. Coming down to the options, I am going to make sure View PDF after saving is checked. This will open the PDF upon export, to which we can take a look at our exported file very quickly. Now on the left hand side, we have a list of other criteria. I am going to click on Marks and Bleeds. Here I can set what marks and bleeds are generated on my PDF. Now I am going to click on All Printer Marks and all boxes will be ticked. You can also uncheck these individually. For example, if you don't want to include the color bars, you can simply click it. Next, on bleeds, I am going to make sure that Use Document Bleed Settings is checked, as we have already set up our bleed margins in our document. Once I am happy, I will press Save PDF. Now I am going to open that PDF document that I have just saved. Here you can see the marks and bleeds have been included. This document is now ready to go over to the printers. So this is how you can prepare and export your artwork for print. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.